Warning, this video contains spoilers for the June 2023 Archer and Olive subscription box, so if you don't want the surprise spoiled, then it's time to look away. If, like me though, you're a super curious person, let's have a look. In our previous video, we had a look at the merit badge stickers. This came with 2 sticker sheets, each with 6 designs, which offered a bunch of little things to be proud of. This also gave us more of a look at our color palette for the box. In this video though, we have our next item, which is this, which is a journaling pen set. As is typical to me, I have already ripped this box trying to get it open, but let's have a look at what's in here. To be completely honest, one of my favorite items from the box is in here, and we'll have a look at that first, but it is a black Calliograph pen. I have been waiting for one of these for ages and I'm so excited to see it in the box. Is this a sign of things to come? Are we maybe going to see these as individual items in the Archer and Olive shop? Fingers crossed, I hope so, because I totally just want like a straight pack of these. As is usual with the Calligraphs, we have a broad tip and a fine tip end. So the broad tip is similar to the size of a Tombow dual brush pen, while the fine end is similar to a Tombow Fudenosuke pen. So it's like the best of both worlds in one pen. As the name kind of suggests, the Calliograph is a calligraphy pen, so it is perfect for brush lettering. While I'm still very much practicing my brush lettering, these are excellent pens to practice with. Both the broad tip and the fine tip aren't super flexible, they're a little bit more firm or rigid, which means that you can be a little bit more controlled in your lettering forms, so much easier if you're just starting out with brush lettering. Along with the Calliograph though, we actually have a new addition to our pen lineup from Archer and Olive. So we've got acrylographs, we've got Calligraphs, we've got gel pens, and we've seen other writing pens, but this one is a Fineliner. This one has an 0.4mm nib size, and the pen has a matte finish on the barrel, but a shiny pen top and base. Is this a sign of things to come? I'm thinking that it might be, just because like we had gel pens in a previous sub box and now they have gel pens in the store. We had the vegan leather products in a previous sub box and then they got introduced to the store. Same idea with the pocket notebooks. So I'm thinking that Fineliners might be something that we see more from Archer and Olive. Let me know what you think in the comments. Comparing that Fineliner to the Micron, you can see that it is fairly similar. I've used the same nib size, but my Micron I have used previously, so it's a little bit more blunt and thus a little bit thicker in terms of its line weight. But in terms of the finished product, I do find the two to be comparable. Possibly the Archer and Olive pen has more of a cool black tone, whereas the Micron has more of a warm black tone. And I would say that the Micron is a little bit more opaque. Low-key though, this Calliograph is the part that I'm the most excited about. It doesn't have the name on the barrel, but it is pretty obvious that it's black. I've been waiting for one of these. I'm really glad that we have one. I need to go add this one into my swatch lineup, and if you wanted to see previous swatching videos from me, then check out the playlist we have here at the top. Or to see all of the videos we currently have related to this sub box, then the playlist at the bottom is for you. Click or tap on either of those, and I'll see you over there.